Hey, how's it going? Thank you for coming back to my channel. Happy Monday, I should say, because usually I post my DIY projects on Monday. If you're new to my channel, make sure that you subscribe. As you know, I bought a TEMU bicycle a few months ago. I think in June. It was an awesome bike because I'm used almost every day or every other day. I eventually run into a flat tire, so my tire is flat. So I'm going to attempt to change it myself. Shouldn't be too hard. Unfortunately, I only have one wrench today. I don't know what's going on with my kid. Like to misplace every single tool that I have. You know what happened, right? You can't really beat them up. Well, I do want to beat them up. I'm gonna have a talk with them. So let's take a look at my bike first. I got a flat tire here. So I think it is right somewhere. Oh, right here. My coworker actually pinpointed that for me. Somewhere around here, there's a little leak. I bought myself replacement tube from TEMU already. Most of the e-bike, okay, they do have a little there's a cable here for the power to the motor. Should have a switch that I can unplug, but unfortunately this one doesn't have it. I have to improvise. Obviously, I'm gonna take this screw off and this one off. So hopefully it will be an easy job. All right, let's start it. So I got the screws off, but the problem I have is because there's no plug here. So when I try to take the wheel out, the cable actually stopped. So I have to loose up the cable in order for me to take the wheel out, the tire out. Unfortunately, they are zip tied. So I have to cut it. Alright, it looks like the brake is stopping me pulling my wheel off. So I think I have to loose up this brake to see if I can move off a little bit. Let's see. Luckily, I have an Allen key. I forgot to bring my Allen key home. Otherwise, this one won't turn. Oh no, this is too big. Oh no, it's correct. Oh, okay. So I just bend off. So I don't want to take it off, all off. So now I should be able to take it off easily. Here we go. So, the cable is not long enough for me. I think I can just take it off like this. Perfect. Here we go. I don't know if you can see it. All right, here we go. So my wheel is off. I still have the cable here. So now I need to take off the tire. If I remember my Boy Scout skill, shouldn't be too hard. Just need 2 screwdrivers. Yes, 2 screwdrivers, it will be easier. There we go. Oh, don't lose the washer here. That's for, I think it's this one. Yeah, just put it right here. Cap here. Okay. I think I do it this way. Oh, the washer. This one, this side. Which side should I start it? Once it's out, it's out. Woohoo! I still remember. I still remember my Boy Scout skill. Alright, once this thing is on, that would be this. Not sure what. Take my glasses, can't see it. Oh, what is this? Oh, what the hell is this? There's no tube. This one doesn't have a tube. It has this. What is this? It doesn't require a tube? I'm not sure what happened then. So this is a tubeless tire. How does it even work? The tire is a tubeless tire. I didn't know that. So I open up the tire and I noticed that, holy cow, that is tubeless. I'm from the old school, never actually know anything about tubeless tire. And then it's so simple. It's like there's nothing inside, just with the valve. The problem is I know something punctured the tire. So if I just buy a valve and then put it back in, it's gonna leak again. So since I bought the inner tube already, I might just put the inner tube in to use it, to save me time to buy the whole tire again, right? All right, finally I put the tube back in, and so I'm gonna just pump the air. Besides, getting old, so I don't want to pump myself. So I also bought something from TEMU, which is an electrical air pump, perfect for time for reviewing this product. That's like $20 Canadian. It says it can pump vehicle, automobile tire also, but I'm not gonna try it. But perfect for this, and that way I need a pump anyway. We have a hand pump, but hand pump it's good for teenager, not good for old man like me, right? And a lot of stuff I have to do myself. I don't have anybody who can help me. Instead of saving money, instead of paying a lot of money, like $100 an hour to a bike shop to just change my tire, I can do myself. But I want to do it in a very convenient way, so I bought myself this. And you say, well, $20, you just give someone else to do it. No, every single money counts. Okay, so if I can do it myself, I do it myself. So let's try it, see if it works. Push it in, close the valve, and turn it on. It's working. Pressure inflate to 240 to 300 kVA. What's the kVA? Bar or what? Let me see. Because I change it to, I think it is, maybe I need to Google that. kVA. I know something about pressure. But I can do it later. So now it's really solid now. I'm happy. Not solid, but it's solid enough for me to call it. Oh, come on, let's get out. That works really well, and highly recommend that you have one in your trunk, I guess, or somewhere. Cool. It's a USB charge. I like it too. So let's put it aside first. So I'm just gonna put my tire back. Hopefully I remember all the order. Alright. It's all fixed up. Better off to take a picture of the washers, the orders of the washers. I didn't really, so I end up I putting everything together and then found out there's a washer hanging around on my carpet. So I have to take it all off and then figure out I guess the order of the washer. So it's all good. I think if you know the order is incorrect, then the brake is gonna tell you, because it's gonna kind of like stuck. It's too close, too far right or too far left, because you're missing the washer, right? Everything is all good, so it's moving back. Because I'm using an inner tube to replace the tubeless. I should have actually read the marking. The marking does say tubeless, but regardless, I think there's something punctured the tube. So either I'm gonna replace the whole tube, the whole tire, or I'm just gonna use the inner tube. So the inner tube is holding. It's really nice. I like inner tube because if there's a puncture, right, I can just change the inner tube. The inner tube is like $12. You're buying the whole tubeless thing. I don't know how much. You tell me, like, over $100. Hopefully, it's gonna hold up. It does have the pressure, 245 kPa. See, that's the mistake amateur like me always run into. So now you don't have to make the same mistake. But okay, again, the KPS here is for this tire, that tubeless tire. My inner tube, I don't know how much KPS it's gonna hold. I trying to check it on TEMU. TEMU doesn't actually say it, and then on the I actually checked the marking on the inner tube. It doesn't say it anyway. So I'm just gonna guess. Like, I'm 200 pounds. If it's too loose, I know. Not enough air, I know. If it's too hard, then I know. In a bad way. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. I hope my video helped you to deal with this tire problem of this TEMU e-bike. All right. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe and give me a like. Bye bye.